And I would like to thank the DMW doon sa naging mabilisang action ninyo, agad na rescue sila. Dalawang team po yun, isang team. Nasa na po?
Yeah, good afternoon po, Mr. Chair, and to my colleagues in government. Yes po, we were able to repatriate the victims, and we were able to provide all forms of assistance under the programs of the Department of Migrant Workers. And we filed the proper and appropriate case for large-scale illegal recruitment against the perpetrators of this heinous offense, Mr. Chair.
Very good. Saan po yung isang team? Kasi dalawang team yan eh. Okay,
Opo.
wala yun.
Yung isa po nasa OWA team and DMW team, kasama rin po
Hindi,
yung
mga
Migrant
victims,
Workers
dalawang
Office.
ano eh, di ba?
Yes po, nasa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia po sila.
Yeah, yung kasamahan po nila, Mr. Chair, sa Kuala Lumpur pa, they will be repatriated soon. We are just arranging some documentations with our MWO for the proper repatriation.
Pero safe na sila.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Marami bang ganitong klaseng mga kaso na narinig kayo na using backdoor at na traffic yung mga kababayan natin?
Sir, yung kwento po ni Karen is a perfect example of an human trafficking and illegal recruitment. And the DMW has set in place several layers of protection in order to avoid illicit activities conducted by illicit groups victimizing our OFWs for overseas employment. Unang-una po, with all due respect to Karen, they violated all layers we presented for protection. They have to go through, number one, to the DMW. Kinakailangan po talaga dadaan sila sa Department of Migrant Workers for proper documentation. Pangalawa, they have go through the process of the MWO, yung Migrant Workers Office po natin doon sa destination country. Kinakailangan i-check po yung employer. Pangatlo, oras na alis po sila, they will have to go through the BI, the Bureau of Immigration, for the departure formalities. I-check po ng BI yan kung meron silang tinatawag na OEC, yung Overseas Employment Certificate, which is linked from our database sa DMW to the BI system online. And makikita po doon kung sila ay properly documented. Ang third layer po natin, hindi po sila dumaan sa private recruitment agency na licensed by the DMW to offer an employment contract abroad. Lahat po yun, hindi po nila dinaanan. Kaya po tayo sa DMW, we are very much doon po sa tinatawag na public information campaign. We converge with all interagencies and the LGUs to properly inform our prospective OFWs kung ano po yung process for a safe and regular migration process po, Mr. Chair.